Hi, what's up guys? It's your boy Justin Too Fast for you, back again with another like a little addition to your car. So what I'm gonna do is add like the little name plating onto my steering wheel. So it's really simple. You have the red tape on the back and then you just literally press it onto your steering wheel. So I'll have the link to the description, or link to the product itself in the description below. So it's gonna be a really easy fix. So I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Alright, so I'm just going to take out the plastic, make sure your steering wheel is obviously clean. This will literally take only a second, so. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Please hit that like and subscribe button. It's always greatly appreciated. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Do you guys like the changes? Do you not like the changes? And, you know, it's Justin Too Fast for you. So, try to keep up. Alright, deuces.